then reassessments. I allow retakes in my class. If you don't get a good enough score on a quiz and you want to retake it or a test, you can, but the max grade you can get is a 70% after for your retake. So that way we encourage you to try and do your best on the first test, but if you don't, there is the option to retake. But all that means is that if you get 100% on your retake, the highest score you'll get is a 70. Just to keep it fair for those students that do study and perform well on the first test. Classroom expectations: be respectful, responsible, and resourceful. And attendance is important for success in this class. Live lectures are essential and should be attended if possible, but I do know that sometimes you'll be sick or have a doctor's appointment and you'll miss it. I encourage you to watch the recording and take notes and do the practice problems as if you were in real class. Be responsible about getting work handed in. All work is due the following Monday after it has been assigned. You guys, most of you are sophomores, but some of you are freshmen, and it's a little bit different here at the high school. I'm not going to hold your hand and be like, you haven't turned this in, this, and this, and this in. It's your grade, so if you want to pass, you'll turn your stuff in. I'll help you do your assignments. I'll help you study, take the test to the best of your ability, but if you're not turning stuff in, that's going to reflect in your grade. So it's up to you to turn stuff in and be responsible for your grade. So you guys have 5 minutes now to go into the housekeeping assignments and fill those both out and complete them. Nice, Jose, good job. I'm going to take attendance while you're doing that. Yes, they are completed. Good job, guys. Make sure that when you're done, this is the teacher view, but for students, there's the like turn in or like submit or whatever, make sure you click that, because otherwise it'll show that you didn't complete it. So make sure you click turn in when you're done with things. Okay, that went by quick. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for doing that. Next up on my talking points is our Flipgrid assignment. So we're going to be using Flipgrid for some things this semester. What it is just a video platform to kind of share with your classmates. It's kind of like social media that you can comment on each other's work, share ideas. But for me, it's going to be so that you can like hold up your paper and be like, here was what I did for my first step, here's my second step, and this is what I got for my answer. But for the introduction one, we're just going to post a little video about ourselves, and so I can get to know you guys. So just tell me in your short video your name, something that made you smile recently, and your favorite food. So I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. So I need to, oh, I'm on teacher view. Hold on. Let me go in from the classroom. Share this tab. Okay, so join with Google. You're going to join with your Google account, log in with that. And then this is what it'll look like for you guys. And then you click record a response. And you have 30 seconds to record it, and the topic is moderated. So what that means is I am going to have to approve it before it gets posted to the stream for everyone else to watch. We've already had some people that are doing inappropriate things online, so I just want to make sure that appropriate things are posted. Even though that you're at home right now, this still is school, and so you can get in trouble. Just remember that. Keep it appropriate. If your topic does not get approved to the stream and posted, that means you're not going to get points in the gradebook because it was not appropriate. So if it doesn't get posted, then you need to redo it and make it school appropriate. So here's what you're going to do is you're going to click record, and it'll give you like 3, 2, 1, and then you'll record. I like to click the little book icon up here where it says show topic, because then it tells you what I wanted you to do. So your name, something that made you smile, and your favorite food. So then you can keep that up while you're recording, or you can close it. And then in effects, you can do filters and change the background, or you can put emojis on the screen. And you guys are welcome to do this and add things, but please don't cover your face. Just make sure your face is visible when you're doing these. And then press record, and then record your little video. I already posted one, so I'm not going to do another one. But next video, then you review it, make sure it's how you want it to be. And then it asks you to take a selfie to put as like your icon for the video you do. So just you can do a quick selfie of yourself. And then it'll tell me that I have to moderate it, or you put your name, and then it'll say it's hidden until I approve it, and then you're done. And then you can go in. So this is my video I made, and you guys can go in and comment on each other's once they're posted. You can record a video response, or there's options to like record your screen and other things. So it's a pretty cool little thing that we'll be using quite a bit this semester. And that is Flipgrid. It'll be due Monday for you guys. And you guys all should have access. If you have trouble logging into that one, let me know. All right. The last thing I wanted to show you guys was, it froze the entire time I was explaining. Oh, dang it. Okay. So basically for your Flipgrid, some key points is that you want to make sure that your face is visible. You can add filters and like emojis to it, but just make sure that you could see my face. I can see your face. And then it's going to be like, it won't be posted for everyone to see until I approve it. So you won't see it right away, but then you can go and comment on other people's posts once they're posted. And it's due Monday. All right. If you have questions, let me know. I'm going to show you guys my landing page. Let me get to that. I'm sure you guys went over this in advisory yesterday, but I just wanted to show you guys again in case your advisory teacher didn't, or if you have questions. So here we go. Okay, so to get to the landing page, you can go to the online learning portal when you open your Chromebook, and then go to Umatilla High School and then my name, and you'll find it there. So there's just a welcome message and class expectations. Over on the left, I have my email and my phone number. Remember, you can call or text me with any questions you have. My office hours, and then the tutoring calendar I wanted to show you guys. It's pretty nifty. So we have tutors that will be working in the afternoons until 8 p.m. if you need help. So we have Haven, who does math and science. Miss Jackson does math and science, and Mrs. Estrada, who does language arts, social studies, and science. So you can go on to the tutoring calendar and then join with the Google Meet if you need help, and they will be willing to help you. It's nice because they're on there till 8 p.m. Teachers are like only working till 4, so then if you need help after that, you can log into the tutoring. And then I showed you guys how to book an appointment for my office hours, but there's that link again. And then here's my schedule of what I teach and those times, and then the whole school schedule. I just wanted to go over a few things because there was some confusion. Over here where it says student contact time, a lot of people were confused, like, oh my gosh, I have to contact all 8 teachers every day. No, that's not what that means. It was a little bit confusing. It's more for the teachers. What we're going to do is we're going to contact students. So the students that aren't logging on or completing assignments, we're going to contact them and let them know, hey, we are wanting you to get your stuff turned in. We're here to help. It's not time for you to contact your teachers. Don't worry about that because your guys have a break from 11:30 to 1:30. And so during student contact time, that's during your break. So don't stress about that. It's for teachers, not for students. And then we have the night check-ins. Other students too were like, I don't want to do school at 6 at night. And I'm like, no, that's not what that means. It's actually just night office hours. So if your parents want to meet with me, or if you want to meet with me in the evenings, that works better for you. I will have office hours 2 nights a week. But that's what it meant. It should say night office hours, not night check-ins. But yeah, you don't have to check in with your teachers in the evening. Once you guys complete your schoolwork for the day, you're done. Helpful little tip that I think that is good for you guys to know is during office hours from 1:30 to 4, that should be your time that you're doing your homework or completing assignments for other classes, because your teachers will be available then if you need help. So, excuse me. I would recommend completing your schoolwork then. That way you are able to get help if you need it. But like I said, there is the tutoring until 8 p.m. and you do have the weekends to work on it. Okay, that is all I have for today. Does anyone have any questions? All right, if you don't have any questions, feel free to leave. Go ahead and work on that Flipgrid. It's due on Monday, and I will see you guys on Friday. What can I help you? How do you log into Big Ideas? Let me answer her question, then I'll go back to you, Jasmine, okay? I will post the link to Big Ideas in our classroom, but you can just go into Google and type in Big Ideas Math, and then click on it, and then it'll bring you to the login page. So your guys' login is like your first letter, and then your last name, and then some sort of number, like 004 or something weird. And then your password is what you used to log into the Chromebooks: first initial, last initial, student ID, exclamation point. If you can't log in, email me and I'll reset your password or figure out why you can't get in. Did I answer your question, Viviana? Perfect. All right, what can I help you with, Jasmine?
All right, so the entire time that you were explaining about the recording yourself of the mini video, like it froze. So all I saw was it was frozen, and then I just saw a completely different screen.
Okay.
So I just wanted to know what you all said.
Yes, I will go over that again. Let me get the link. So Flipgrid is what we're going to use to kind of post little videos of ourselves. And you can record for like up to 15 seconds to up to a minute. I have it set for 30. And so you'll go in here and click record a response. I just went in through the Google Classroom to get here. Can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is your video. If you click the little book tab up in the top right corner, it'll give you the prompt, and you can leave that up there if you need to remember it, or you can close it out. And then it's kind of fun because you can add effects. So you can put text on the screen, an emoji, filters, a frame. I just require that when you're recording, you have your face visible. So you can put as many filters and emojis as you want, but just make sure that I can see your face. So don't put it over your face. And then you just click record and it'll count you down. And then it has the timer across the top for your video. You have 30 seconds to do all of that. I like to leave the little book open so I know. So, hi, my name is Hannah. Something that made me smile is that my dog, and my favorite food is pizza. And then once you're done with all of that, you click next, and then it has the timer. And then you can edit it if you want. Like if you want to cut it or put in a filter or something, you can. And then after this, it wants you to take a selfie to be like your image that is shown, like your screen before the video. So you can just take a selfie. And then you click next, and then it'll upload it, and you put your name, and it submits it for me to review. So I have to review it before it gets posted because we've had some students that have already done inappropriate things on Google Meets and such. So I'm just going to make sure that we're staying school appropriate. So if it doesn't end up getting posted to like the classroom stream and you can like everyone can see it and comment on it, and that means it wasn't appropriate and you won't get points in the grade book.
Okay.
But I have a feeling that you will be respectful and appropriate.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I will not try to do anything that'll bring up my grade.
Isaiah, do you have any questions?
You answered both of them.
Okay, perfect.
While we were going through it, so.
Awesome. And feel free to email me if you guys have any other questions. It's just a 30-second video. No worries. It's super easy.
So wait, so our passwords for the Big Ideas Math is just the one that we use to normally log in?
Yep, to like your Chromebook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and if you can't log in, just email me and then I'll see what happens. Like might reset your password if it's not working.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Bye.